Storm Bert will continue to dominate the weather in the short term and bring more disruption, but what happens when it moves away? Well, first of all, let's just have a look at the rain and winds associated with Bert. This shows some heavy outbreaks in southern, central and eastern counties of England on Sunday. The wettest conditions then transfer to the northwest as the core of Storm Bert pushes in. But it is going to be very, very mild. Unusually so, at least in the short term. Values here in England reaching 16 degrees Celsius on Sunday afternoon. I think the date record is about 17. Colder though, even at this stage in Scotland, but still not particularly so. The strongest winds, well, on Sunday in southern, central and eastern counties of England, it is looking quite nasty on this particular sequence. You can see the pink shade in there, highlighting areas where gusts of around 60 to 70 miles an hour are being forecast. Later on, though, and into Monday, the strongest winds again become focused on the north. There is some uncertainty, though, about top wind speeds. There's a range being forecast by different computer models. At the lower end, this gives values of around 50 to 60 miles an hour in the south. At the upper end, we see those 70 mile an hour gusts in parts of the south of England. Even London here seeing gusts of just over 60 miles an hour. But I think this is at the very top end and it's likely to be exaggerating the risk a little bit at least. Then into Monday, the strongest winds have transferred back to the north. You can see close to Aberdeen, just off the east coast of Scotland, gusts of around 70 miles an hour being forecast. But what happens when Bert moves away? Well, through Tuesday and into Wednesday, another disturbance is likely to run eastwards across southern Britain. This animation keeps it really just affecting areas to the south of London. But there is some uncertainty about the track of that disturbance. This alternative model shows it going a little bit further north into central England, and there's just an outside chance that it could be cold enough on its northern edge for some sleet or wet snow. That is something to keep an eye on, perhaps Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. It will be significantly colder by that point. These are forecast maximums on Wednesday afternoon. So there's a lot taking place in the next few days. Initially, Storm Bert brings some more disruptive conditions, heavy outbreaks of rain and strong winds. It then pulls away eastwards and colder air starts returning southwards. A disturbance probably tracks eastwards across southern Britain on Tuesday and into Wednesday. That brings some longer outbreaks of rain, and there's a low risk of some sleet or wet snow on its northern edge.